Life can be pretty hectic. Between work, family, friends, and other obligations, I've got a lot going on, but it's the little things that keep tripping me up, like where are my keys? I've read that magnesium can play an important role in supporting memory. Should I consider adding it to my routine?
Unfortunately, most Americans don't get enough magnesium from their diet, so we really should supplement with it as we age. Neuro-Mag from Life Extension is easily absorbed into the brain and central nervous system, making it perfect for memory and cognitive health support.
I started to look into the benefits of taking magnesium, and I found that the main ingredient in Neuro-Mag can improve short and long-term memory by almost 100%.
That's true. But it's important to know not all magnesium supplements absorb easily into the brain. Neuro-Mag uses magnesium L-Threonate. This ultra-absorbable form of magnesium helps facilitate the brain cell signaling pathways that are associated with improved memory. That's why it's our best magnesium supplement for your cognitive health.
I've been using Neuro-Mag for 2 months now, and the difference is really noticeable. I'm sharper, more focused. I really feel like I can tackle any issue that comes my way, and I don't have to worry about the little things, like, where did I put this thing?